Now, I will give you some instructions on how to use AcademicReference. First, enter ar.cnki.net in the address bar and open the home page. On the top right corner is the login button. Click Login button, input your username and password in the login box to finish the login. If your institution has already subscribed to our products and your computer's IP address is in the institution's IP list, you will automatically log in. If you do not log in, you can only use search and browse functions but cannot download the full text. Next, let's have an overview of the homepage. The homepage of AR, as you can see, is composed of 3 parts or 2 categories. 3 parts include Search section, Browse by Discipline section, and Resources section. 2 categories mainly include Search and Navigation. Let's check the navigation function first. There are 2 navigation methods, Discipline Navigation and Resources Navigation. In the Discipline Navigation section, just like most of CNKI's products, our resources are classified into 10 series, and you can click any of them to browse the content included in it. In the Resources Navigation, our resources in AR are classified into 8 different types, and you can click any of them to view the content belonging to the type. And then, let's see how to discover resources in AR. There are 2 search functions, One-Stop Search and Advanced Search. One-Stop Search supports search within title, abstract, and keywords by default. You can import the search content in the search bar, click the search button, and get the search results. Advanced Search, based on One-Stop Search, helps to narrow down a search range by adding limit conditions such as and, or, and not to limit, include, or exclude. And you can click plus to add limit conditions, or you can click minus to delete limit conditions. And you can refine your search by checking the content type. For example, check journal articles. You will get results published on journals. And you can use the time axis to set the publication period, or you can just input the time here. For example, 2016 to 2018. Then click Search button to get the search results. By the way, the above 3 limit conditions can work cooperatively or separately. Let's get back to the home page and take textiles and clothing as an example. Enter textiles and clothing in the search bar. Click the search button and jump to the search results. On the left side of the page, under Refine Results bar, there are Content Type Navigation, Disciplines Navigation, and Publication Year Navigation. Under Content Type, search results are sorted by their content types: journal article, doctoral dissertation, and etc. At the end of each content type, followed with the number of the search results included in this content type. You can click each one of them to get the according search results. Like, you can choose journal articles, then you will get the results within journal articles. And if you want to go back to the original results page, click out journal article or click Reset All. Then you will get back to the original results page. Under Disciplines, search results are classified into 10 series. You can click plus to reveal all subdisciplines under it, and click minus to hide the list. And you can click View More to unfold the list of all series, or click View List to close the list. In this part, you can choose one series each time, or you can choose more series at the same time. Or you can fold each series and choose one or more disciplines as the limit conditions and get the according search results. If you want to go back to the original results page, you can click Reset All. Under Publication Year, you can set a time period to limit your search results. For example, if you set time to 2016 to 2018, then you will get all articles published during this period. and all three refined results can be available at the same time. Then, let's have a look at the right side of the page. First, it displays the number of the results and the whole list of the search results. You can turn the page to view more results, or you can also click here to control the number of the results shown on each page. Second, each result presents the information of title, article results, authors, author's institution, and the abstract of the article. By clicking Abstract, you can unfold its content and read it, and by clicking PDF, you can download the PDF format of the article. In addition, you can get all of the information mentioned above by clicking the article title. Click the article title, and you will get to the article page. In this page, it includes much more information about the downloads, size, keywords, references, and the similar document recommendation on the right side of the page. Besides, on the top left corner, there is journal name marked in blue, and you can click the journal name. You will get to the journal page. On the left side of the journal page, you can browse by year and issue. You can choose a year and an issue. For example, if you choose 2016, issue 3, you will get all articles included in issue 3, 2016. And on the right side of this page, you can run the search function. Search within this journal by default, and you can also get basic information of this journal. Now, let's get back to the regional results page and introduce another case you may also run into when searching. If you filter out all doctor dissertations from all of those results, you will find a full text in Chinese icon instead of a PDF icon. In this case, click full text. You will jump to the link of overseas.CNKI page, where it offers 5 selections to download this paper. You can download it by page or by chapter, or download the whole book in CAG version or in PDF version. If you have tried our products before, you shall be familiar with it. You can also see that on this page, all contents that are marked in blue is connected by link. By clicking it, you will find the relative information of this content. And below, there is a knowledge network, where you can see the citation network of the current document. At the bottom of this page, you will see a reference list. In this part, if you click any of those content marked in blue, it will lead you jump to the coding page.